So apparently I'm out in the park right now and I'm gonna be using this camera. We'll be traveling tomorrow to Uluru and I'm excited. I need to prepare some stuffs. So today I'm out here in the park, skateboarding and also checking out the sunset. So tomorrow we're gonna start vlogging. It's gonna be a lot of videos and photos. So let's enjoy today. Let's have fun. Yeah. Anyway, I'll show you the sunset in a few. So tomorrow we'll be heading to Uluru and I'll be doing a lot of videos. I'm backlogged with all of my videos right now, so I'll try to make up. And also I'm still editing the Gold Coast videos. So I'm on day 4 right now and it's going to be 15 days for that. Also with that, aside from the day 4, some days that I'm going to have 3 posts because the videos are quite long. So yeah, hopefully I'll get them uploaded soon. Anyway, I love the sunset. I'll be showing you videos in a few. But I'm just gonna stop and check the place out. So now it's time to head home. Yeah, I've been trying to film this a couple of times, but I wasn't able to press the record button. So yeah, now I've pressed the record button. It should be good. And I should be heading home because it's getting dark. I need to prepare for tomorrow. I need to wash the clothes also and everything else. So let's enjoy the ride. Packing up. Everything's a mess. Like, everything's a mess. 3 days. So I'm trying to pack everything up here. We have the drone, some batteries. I tried to opt for a car charger for the drone. And I have a car charger and a third-party charger for the camera. We also have a USB charger. So everything's good. Let's rock. Let's go. So we're heading to Uluru right now. We woke up a bit late. No, we woke up early, but we got up late. So yeah, we're heading in there now. And I don't know how long it's going to take us to get there. But yeah. Let's do this. So we're running for a plane. We're running late. Not really. Just on time. We're on time. Just like any flight, we're rushing to the plane. I was supposed to say train, but plane. Exercise. Early day exercise. Let's do this. Okay. Let me do that again. We're hurrying up right now because, yeah, as much as how we want to be on time, we're a bit short in time. But yeah, we're not late. We're not that late.
And I was randomly checked.
Yeah, she was random. She had an exam. She was checked. She's suspicious. Yeah, let's go. Apparently, Laura's just sitting next to this side. There's an aisle where they're sitting next to each other. So yeah, it's kind of fun. And
10 minutes past 11. You may need to wind your watches back 1.5 hours. Please remain seated with seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign.
Okay, it's kind of windy and rainy up here. What the heck? Weather's really bad. So we fairly canceled our first trip here in Uluru because it was so hot. And now we're here and the weather is awesome. It's raining. You can see the rain in my glasses. So we're gonna have dinner today, supposedly under the stars, if there are stars and if it's possible because it's raining. Hey. Hey. Documenting.
You're talking to yourself.
Yeah.
I won't interrupt. Fairly consistently from then until now. It's just starting to stop a little bit now. Left at the front of the coach, a little bit of cloud just sitting right above it at the moment. Uluru is craft shop in there. At the top of the stairs on the right in the museum.
Apparently the first day we're here, it's raining, and it seldom rains here. Is it a sign that we're lucky, or is it a sign that we're not lucky? We'll see how it goes.
We're supposed to go that way. No, center.
Okay.
That's the farm.
Okay, let's gonna go to the farm. Okay, that over there, those are solar panels, so they call it the solar field. Obviously, there's for solar power.
Gene 2.
Yeah, that's it. First activity of the day. What was it called?
Food.
Food. Yeah, we're gonna look for food. That's what every human must do to survive anywhere in the world. Look for food. So we're heading there. I think there's food there, I'm not sure.
Yung ko memorize na ni mo, ano kung tanong ko na yan rin.
Adventure mo na akong ganahan. Ganahan ko, palintan ako niya. Alil, ako lang rin. That's it. So one of the things we've discovered also is that petrol here is twice the price. It's $2.50. Back home it's $1.50 or $1.20. It's much expensive here. Yeah. For Sound of Silence, and it's cancelled because it's raining. Oh well. So apparently you can see Kulata. Yep. No crocodile slow dinner, so we're just having pumpkin and Wagyu burger for now. And some orange juice. First meal, Wagyu burger. Supposed to have crocodile ribs, but they're having it for dinner. And now we're looking into what we're looking at. Some things. Yeah.
Dry out to the point where it's nice and dry, rehydrate it a bit, and then crush it up on the grinding stone. It's like an instant sugar, okay? Oh, okay. We'll go down.
So a series of unfortunate events. The thing is, our car's gonna be free tomorrow. Yeah, I booked it tomorrow. I thought we were not gonna do anything today. It rained earlier. The dinner was cancelled, so we decided that we're gonna go sunrise, sunset. But then again, our car is booked today, so we can't use any car.
We were supposed to have sunset for the dinner.
Yeah, we're supposed to have sunset for the dinner, but anyway, life as it is. So we're just gonna wait for the car tomorrow. We're just gonna go to the hotel room and regroup. Yeah, it's sad because the sun's out right now. Could have done something, but yeah, we're heading to the hotel. First initial tour we have, or first official tour or event that we have is we're gonna hike. We're gonna hike all the way right there. Because that's the lookout, and we don't have a car. We can't go somewhere to look at the sunset, so we're gonna look at the sunset here.
Can you believe they canceled dinner?
They canceled dinner because it was raining this morning, and now the weather's perfect. Look at the skies. Look. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. It would just feel so bad. There you can see the desert sun. If you can't see it, Chatsinam today. You can't see me. But you can't see me. John Cena. Anyway, yeah, we're nearly there to that viewing deck. And that's it. There's nothing. I don't know anything. I didn't do any tours. I don't know what's happening now. We're just walking there. And we are just walking there. Damn, the weather's so good.
I know.
Fuck. Apparently somebody's trying to fly a drone. I don't think it's allowed. The viewing deck from the hotel. And the rock's there. So you can see the rock. There, that's the zoom that I can't have, but yeah, the rock's there. Look, I'm having loaded fries for tonight, and Laura's having the Outback pizza, which has smoked kangaroo and emu on it. So let's see how it tastes. Kangaroo tail. What the? Guess there's winter in here because most of these are freezing. Okay, to recap today's happenings, we had a good flight. Unfortunately, the flight was a bit late. We arrived a bit late, but everything's good. We arrived here, it was raining, so of all the dry seasons here, the dry days here in Uluru, we just got the rainy season. We used to book this one last January, and the thing is, January is summer here in Australia, and it was very hot. It was scorching 40 degrees, and who's gonna enjoy if it's 40 degrees? Anyway, we booked another trip now. That's why we're here. Problem is, of all the days that we're supposed to be here in Uluru, it rained. So we booked also a dinner at the desert. It was a nice dinner. It was supposed to be a nice dinner. The thing is, it rained, so it got cancelled. So we're hoping tomorrow that it's not going to be cancelled. We're going to be having the walk at the what do you call that? The lights? The
Field of Light?
Yeah, the Field of Lights. And we're going to be having it tomorrow. We're going to be having it tomorrow. The thing is, we're hoping everything's gonna be good and the weather's gonna cooperate. We're gonna hope the weather's gonna cooperate because the 3 days that we're here, the weather's bad. Like, it's gonna be raining. And yeah, I hope the tours are gonna push through because most of the tours are out there in the desert near the rocks. So we'll be traveling, we'll be driving. We're supposed to have our rental car today because I decided to get the rental car tomorrow morning because we're gonna have dinner at the supposedly at the desert, but the thing is, dinner got cancelled. We can't move the car, can't travel, so we're here from around 12 noon and we can't travel, so we just stayed in the resort. Hopefully tomorrow's gonna be okay, or better. Should be great. Anyway, I'm gonna update you tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned. Gotta go to sleep now. Yeah.